Hello everybody, this is my DJI Mini 4 Pro, and today we are testing it to its limits by putting it to the most high stakes return to home test probably ever done on YouTube. And we're doing it right here at the beach. Now if you don't know, most electronics don't go very well with water, right? And this drone is also pretty much a normal electronic. So what we're gonna do is, this rock right here is out in the middle of all this water, and I'm going to place the drone right here, take it off, send it out into the horizon, and then it's going to return back. And if it doesn't land on this rock, it's gonna land in the water and we're gonna lose this drone. So I've done a few tests before covering the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and I really trusted it. So today we're going to push it to its absolute limits and hopefully make some entertainment for you guys. Let's do this. So the rule for this is that I can't auto set the return to home feature with the controller GNSS. I have to use the drone's GNSS system, which is the most accurate way for the drone to return to home. And we're gonna keep it in the air for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna get some shots and I'll take it right back to the rock. I really hope it lands on that rock. Okay, let's do this. Drone's ready and I'm gonna power it on. The home point has been updated to the rock, so we're just gonna take it off now. Check complete. Uh-oh. That wasn't very good. Okay. So the propeller grinded on the rock a little bit. Hopefully it still stays in the air. We're gonna take it out to the pier, get some shots, and we'll come right back for you guys. If the drone does somehow manage to land on this tiny rock that I took it off of, you guys have to drop a like and you have to subscribe, or your drone will crash into the ocean. The lighting is looking honestly incredible. I'm just gonna drag on this and then we're gonna do a point of view, see how that goes. Oh, that looks pretty good, dude. Oh wow, that's amazing. That's an incredible shot. We're going to set it to return to home. And now that it is returning to home, I'm going to leave it like this. And we're not gonna touch it. So let's just put it back down here and hopefully it makes it back home safe. Okay guys, once again here, the drone is returning to home completely automatically, but I've made a change. So what I'm gonna do instead is, if the drone looks like it's not gonna land safely on the rock, or if it looks like it's going to slide off, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna pick it out of the air and hopefully I don't drop it, because that would be very bad. I don't see it. The drone has been spotted. It's up there, almost invisible. Yeah, you guys probably can't even see it, honestly. But it is, in fact, coming down. And so far, it doesn't look super spot on. I know. It might not land on the rock at all. Well, I better get into position if it misses. Oh my God, please land. Dude, wait a minute. Is he gonna land? Wow, that's insane. No? Let's check what the controller says. The controller's probably saying something like unsafe to land. Yes, it is saying that. Okay, so, oh wow, it landed. No way. Holy crap. Dude, this is like the smallest rock that was flat that I could find that wasn't like literally would slide the drone off, and that is actually incredible. That is like, that's amazing. I could count on this to save my drone literally every time I fly it. If it's this accurate, like I literally took it off over here. I took it off over here where the propeller was grinding a little bit, right? I took it off over here and it landed right here. Is that insane or what? And it even had the extra safety precaution of saying that it would make sure that the area was safe to land first. So that's insane. Well, let's come to a reasonable conclusion and see what we get. In conclusion, This is one of the safest features in the entire drone. I tested this almost a year ago and came to about the same conclusion, but I wanted to make sure I wasn't delusional. So we took it out here where I could have completely ruined my drone, but instead it landed completely safe and sound, only a little bit warm. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Where's the off button? Oh no.